Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the system fan, loosen the screws securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the riser card module and remove the 2 screws. Lift the module out of the system, find the system fan and disconnect the cable, lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the system fan, place it back in the system and reconnect the cable. Place the riser card module back in the system and install the 2 screws. Place the side cover back on the system and secure it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.